What is it, guys? Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the screensaver on Windows 10. So first, you need to head over to the search bar and then you need to type in screensaver. And after that, you will see this change screensaver application. Click on this, and after that, a small pop-up will appear. So from here, you just need to choose that what type of screensaver do you want. Let's say a 3D text. So as you can see, this is the 3D text, and when you click on Mystify here, this is the Mystify one. And when you click on none, this will not show anything. And after that, when you have chosen and when you have just selected the type of screensaver that you want, you can increase the minutes to how many minutes do you want to uh, turn the screensaver on to keep the screensaver turned on. And when you are done, click on OK, and then your screensaver will be applied. So that was all for this video, everyone. And make sure to click OK and apply both to apply your screensaver. So thank you for watching.